Camouflage. It is the use of any combination of materials, coloration, or illumination for concealment, either by making animals or objects hard to see. We may understand it better with the help of given examples, like how algae can grow on turtles' shells, especially when it lives in shallow water, helping it to blend with its environment. Tiger stripes, helping it to hide and attack its prey. It can be easy to miss the grasshopper in this photo, as it's of the same color as the blades of the grass nearby. The spots on this leopard help it disguise the outline of its body, especially when it's sitting in the shadows. The coloring and pattern of this iguana helps it blend in with the vegetation it lives in. This butterfly matches the orange flowers it gathers nectar from. The color of this red squirrel matches the color of the fallen leaves on the ground. The brown color of this deer helps it blend with the landscape in autumn. In short, camouflage is the action or devices intended to disguise or mislead, either to escape from animals or to attack the prey. If you like this video, kindly do share, like and subscribe.